Alright, I need some help. We have a 1953 Ford Custom Line that has a flathead V8 in it. Now, we see some service stickers that say 38,000 miles and the odometer says 41. So I'm coming to think it's original. Kind of the straightness of the car. There's not a lot of rust. But it runs really rough. And now, especially at idle, you can kind of see there's a little shake. But watch as I give it a little RPM. Okay, here, watch, take a look. It shakes. New carburetor, electric distributor, all new ignition system on it, plugs, wires, set the timing on it, check for vacuum leaks, and we did a compression test, and some of them are a little low. Any possible ideas on what we could have going on here? Anything's appreciated.